That YouTube. Yeah, so much music does her hit stuff. I just take something to eat. Time pitch tomorrow. Do you think it's worth getting that Boulevard wash or what?
Wow, this is what I want. Red velvet. This is the spicy chicken Chipotle.
There's not too many offers that day. $30, that's it. No other stuff. No food, nothing.
No, I mean like calamari. And this is the egg roll. Ooh,
What is that?
avocado egg roll. This is the best. This is the best.
Not the best?
I saw the how big is it?
You did?
Yeah, I did. But this is the love one that I love.
Yeah.
The red velvet cheesecake. Ooh, 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 ooh. Second calamari. Burger. Good? Good? Oh my god, tastes so good. On top is like a condensed milk. Oh my goodness, so good. The rich and creamy cheesecake. He said like only 2 pieces, right? The time that you ordered?